Let me show you how to factory reset your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So either if you only want to reset individual settings or also do a hard reset and wipe everything from your phone. For example, if you are returning or selling it. So first let's go in the settings, and in the settings you want to find the general settings over here. And all the way down till you see the transfer or reset iPhone here. And so if you click this reset option over here, you can, for example, delete individual settings, so reset them to the default. But if you want to do a full reset, we are going to click over here, erase all content, and you see it will remove all the data. All your pictures, videos will get removed from this phone, will be lost essentially. Also to remove your like Apple account, activation lock, and also even eSIM as well. So if you want to do it, click continue over here, and finally select one of these options. So either if you want to keep your SIM card inside your phone or not. So again, if you are selling or returning this phone, make sure to delete eSIM and erase data. So later one. Good luck.